Jakarta is drowning in slow motion. Every year, this megacity sinks deeper, swallowing homes, streets, futures. By 2050, its northern coast could vanish beneath the waves. Now, a colossal gamble emerges. The giant seawall, a mythical Garuda-shaped fortress, rising against the ocean's wrath. But is this engineering marvel salvation? Or a $40 billion illusion? The sea isn't Jakarta's only enemy. We are. Beneath the city, a silent crisis unfolds. Imagine the ground as a vast sponge, sucked dry by thousands of illegal wells. Why? Because 1 in 3 Jakartans lacks clean piped water. The result? Land collapsing up to 15 centimeters a year, while skyscrapers multiply like stone forests. See that 17th century watchtower? Leaning 5 degrees, a monument to our failure. Green spaces shrink. Rain hits concrete and floods the poor. And all the while, climate change pushes the sea higher, millimeter by relentless millimeter. A double sentence: sinking land, rising seas. Jakarta's race against time. Enter the ultimate counterstrike. A sunk or 37-kilometer colossus. Curved like the wings of Indonesia's sacred Garuda. This isn't just a wall, it's a parallel universe. Behind it, a manufactured lagoon to tame floods. Above it, artificial islands for a glittering new capital. Phase 1. 17 islands by 2027, but 20 kilometers of wall remain unbuilt. And the price tag chills: $40 billion. After a decade of delays, President Jokowi slammed the accelerator. Dutch engineers, Chinese capital, Japanese tech, all betting on this concrete miracle. Yet whispers follow the cranes. Will ambition outpace? Here's the brutal irony. The wall may hold back the sea, but Jakarta keeps sinking. Groundwater pumping never stopped. So behind this billion-dollar barrier, a bathtub draining downward, flooding from within. Experts warn, no pipes, no justice, no green revival, just a temporary fix, while developers eye artificial islands for private cities. Will coastal families, those losing homes to today's floods, even board this ark? Or will the Garuda only carry the privileged? The giant seawall tests a profound question. Can concrete conquer nature? Perhaps the deeper truth lies not in grand barriers, but in humble solutions. In pipes delivering clean water to every home. In mangroves breathing life along the coast. In a city that lifts all its people, not just luxury towers. Jakarta's fate won't be written by the sea alone, but by choices we make today, on solid ground.